Hello students, so we are solving some extra problems which have been released by DDP at Davangere to help the current SSLC students who would be taking up the examination shortly. So we have solved problems from various chapters which include trigonometry, coordinate geometry, statistics, etc. The links have been given in the description, and I've also solved the model paper 1 and 2 which has been released by the SSLC board. The link for both the videos also has been given in the description, so make sure that you watch them. So now we will be solving a few extra problems for the chapter surface area and volume. So beginning with the first one, the area of the circular base of the cylinder is 22 centimeter square. Its height is 10 centimeter. Then the volume of the cylinder is. So this is a multiple choice. We need to find the volume of the cylinder. Now how do I do that? We know that the volume of the cylinder is pi r square h. Alright. Now it's been given that the area of the circular base is 22 centimeter square. And what is the area of a circle? The area of a circle is pi r square. So this is nothing but 22. So I have 22 into 10, which gives me 220 centimeter cube. So just check among all the four options, 220 centimeter cube corresponds to option C. The second one, what is the formula to find the total surface area of the cone whose radius is r and slant height is L units? So we know that the total surface area of the cone is nothing but pi r into r plus L units. So this is a very standard direct question where you have been asked to just write the formula. The third one, this is from 2020 exam. The base of radius r and the height of a right circular cylinder and a right circular cone are equal. If V is the volume of the cylinder, which is 360 centimeter cube, find the volume of the cone. So we have a cylinder and there is a cone. So we find that the radius of the cylinder and the radius of the cone is the same, and the height of the cylinder and height of the cone also is the same. And what has been given? It has been given that the volume of the cylinder, so volume of the cylinder is 360 centimeter cube. Alright, so we need to calculate the volume of the cone. Now we know that the volume of the cylinder is nothing but pi r square h, whereas the volume of the cone is 1 by 3 pi r square h. Right? So therefore volume of the cone is nothing but 1/3 the volume of the cylinder. So therefore volume of cone is 1 by 3 into 360, which is 120 centimeter cube. Alright, so 120 centimeter cube corresponds to option A. The next one, find the surface area of a sphere of radius r equal to 7 centimeters. Right, so we know that the surface area of a sphere is 4 pi r square. Alright, so therefore just substitute the values. You get 4 into 22 by 7 into 7 into 7. So it get cancelled. So 88 into 7 gives me 616 centimeter square, and this corresponds to the option C. Question 5. The curved surface area of a cone of radius r, height h and slant length L is, we know that it is nothing but pi r L. Right? So that's the curved surface area, which is pi r L, and this corresponds to option A. A very simple, direct, 1 mark, multiple choice. The next one, a solid piece of iron is in the form of a cuboid. Find the volume. So you have a cuboid, we need to find the volume. The dimensions are 10 centimeter cross 5 centimeter cross 2 centimeter. So what is the volume? Volume is length into breadth into height. So I just have to multiply all of them. So the volume is 10 into 5 into 2. So I get 100 centimeter cube. Right? So this is the answer. Seventh one, what is the volume of a sphere? The expression for volume of the sphere is nothing but 4 by 3 pi r cube. A very simple 1 mark direct question to write the formula. So these are some of the problems which have been given. So make sure that you keep practicing problems. And to view all the other videos, make sure that you go through the description, and I have listed out all the links for the model papers 1 and 2 and all the other links which include the additional practice problems from the other chapters in mathematics for 10th. Wishing you all the best once again, and do not forget to like, share and subscribe and press the bell icon to get notifications of all the further uploads, and thanks for watching.